JKR. I am working as a consultant cardiovascular surgeon in Vikram Hospital, Mysore for the last 3.5 years. Today I would like to talk about the pediatric cardiac surgical work and the vascular interventions which we have been doing in Vikram Hospital. Vikram Hospital in Mysore was the first hospital to start infant pediatric cardiac surgery in Mysore city. We started that program almost 3 years back, and since then we have been doing a lot of work in pediatric cardiac surgery. Pediatric cardiac surgery is usually done in children because of congenital heart disease. Congenital heart disease is because a child is born with a defect in the heart because of some developmental abnormalities during the developmental process. The commonest type of congenital heart disease is what is called in a layman's term as a hole in the heart. In medical term, we call it as acyanotic heart disease like ASD, a VSD or a PDA. Children with small holes in the heart might not have any symptoms, and they are picked up during routine examinations or when they go to a pediatrician for some other ailment. But children with a slightly bigger hole in the heart, they usually present with repeated respiratory tract infection and poor weight gain compared to their counterparts. The treatment for conditions with hole in the heart is very simple, is very safe, and has got a very good long-term result. Small holes in the heart can be corrected without a surgery by cardiologist in the cath lab. But children who have got a slightly bigger hole which can't be closed without surgery undergo open heart surgery, and we do correct them. Like I said previously, the results are very good and these children lead a near normal life. The only way to tell whether a child had a surgery is when you look at his chest and he has got an incision. The other type of congenital heart disease is what we call as cyanotic heart disease or blue baby syndrome. This is a more complex variety of congenital heart disease in which the right-sided impure blood mixes with the left-sided pure blood. These children are more sick. They usually become blue when they cry or when they are playing or when they are feeding. The surgery for these are slightly more challenging and slightly more difficult, but we have been doing it in our hospital regularly with very good outcome. The main thing is proper diagnosis and treatment done at the proper time. This was about the pediatric cardiac surgery. I would like to say something about the vascular work which we are doing in Vikram Hospital, Mysore. The commonest procedure which we do is for varicose vein. We do what is called as an endovascular laser treatment for treatment of varicose vein. It's a minimally invasive procedure which treats the varicose vein without any incision in the skin. Varicose vein usually is seen as dilated veins in the skin and the thigh. Non-treatment of varicose veins for a long time can result in skin changes and ulceration, which can even lead to leg loss. Treatment with EVLT done at an early period is very beneficial and can avoid all these complications. The other type of common surgery for vascular, what we do is for blockages in the blood vessels of the leg. These block can be acute or chronic. People with acute block present with severe pain in the leg, which is cold, they have got loss of leg movement, and waited for a long time results in gangrene of the leg. Treatment for this is very simple. We make an incision, remove the blood clot and restore the blood supply. Surgery for this done within 6 hours results in most of the people having a normal leg. The similar blocks can occur over weeks to months to years. They usually present with pain when they walk, which we call it as claudication pain. Treatment for this chronic blocks depends upon the level of the block and the severity, and it can either be surgical or non-surgical. Both the treatments have got excellent outcome, and we do both these procedures in our hospital. Finally, I would like to talk about a surgery called as carotid endarterectomy. I would like to talk about this surgery because it's a very simple surgery and it can prevent a major catastrophe. Carotid endarterectomy is a surgery which is done on the blood vessels which take blood to the brain. These blood vessels require surgery because of the block they develop in them. The common symptoms of this block is blurring of the vision or blackness or change in the speech which lasts for few seconds to few minutes and is totally reversible. Ignoring these symptoms can result in a major stroke. Surgery, like I said, a carotid endarterectomy, if done early, can prevent a major stroke. We at Vikram Hospital have a very dedicated team of cardiologists, cardiac surgeons, anesthetists and intensivists who can take care of any type of pediatric cardiac surgical complications, vascular interventions,